We are heading to Australia's finest truffle farm. It's called the Truffle Farm. It's in Canberra, and it produces some of the juiciest and tastiest truffles in the world. Also known as black gold. I am so excited to slice some of these truffles on everything. Let's go check it out.
Hey everyone.
How are ya?
Welcome.
How's things?
Good, guy.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, you're welcome. Anytime.
Mate, this farm is gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm very lucky.
I'm pretty pumped to find some black gold. You haven't been truffle hunting before, have you?
No, first time.
You excited?
Yeah, pumped.
How do you reckon they'll go?
It's always fun.
Yeah.
It's all on the dog, right?
Yeah, that's right.
What'd you call me?
Oh, well.
Hopefully I know how to train them.
Yeah, that's right. Shall we go check it out?
Let's have a go.
Let's go.
All right, so we'll use Dingo today. Come on, bud.
Hello, buddy. Dingo, Dingo.
You're welcome to give him a pat if he pays attention. Now, this boy is full of beans.
Look at him go.
So what's the plan with the truffles? What are you thinking?
Everything.
Everything?
Lunch and dinner.
Right, Dingo, find it.
Straight to it.
Straight to it, he knows where he's at.
Looking at where he's responded, we have a couple of different things. So obviously he's full of energy, but we can say, show me, and he'll go back in and put his nose
Right at it, point at it.
Now, when the truffles are in the soil, they'll start to break it all up. Good boy.
What a show off.
Oh, he's like,
You're a pain.
What a
yeah.
show off.
He's a crowd pleaser. Straight down, and then just kind of, there you go.
Oh.
Look at that.
Good
You're a
boy.
good boy.
Hey. It smells quite sweet, earthy.
Sweet, yeah.
Yeah. Straight from the soil. It's quite, it actually feels quite heavy.
Yeah,
I
so
feel that. It's got
again,
some-
I guess with experience, like you good winemakers, you
Yeah.
start to know what you need to put into your soils, you know what you need to get out of them.
Yeah.
They should be quite dense, they should be quite heavy for their size. The heavier they are, the more aroma, more taste you're going to get from them.
Where would this sit on the scale?
That, mate, that's looking pretty close to extra
I
class.
was going to say. It's pretty perfect.
Yeah, there's not
Yeah.
too much wrong with that. So I think we've hit the jackpot straight off the bat.
And we're done. It's been such an amazing little journey. Experience of a lifetime.
Treasure hunting for adults.
Absolutely.
What an amazing day. I mean, a chef in a truffle farm is like a pig in shit, right? What an amazing experience. 3-course meal, beautiful, gorgeous truffles, and we learnt so much. To think that Australia only a couple of years ago didn't produce any truffles, and now we produce the most black truffles in the world. You know, it's credit to farmers like Jason doing amazing things, you know, testing out the trees, testing out the produce, and really being a, you know, a hero in his field. It's such an awesome experience, and I am inspired to get some of these beautiful Canberra truffles from the Truffle Farm, cook up a feast, maybe a cacio e pepe, truffles on everything. It works, I promise you. Peace out, stay safe, see you next episode. You. If you love this video and you love all of our other Bondi Harvest videos, I would love your support. All you need to do is click here and subscribe, and that way you never miss out on a video. Or if you really want to join the team, I would love for you to subscribe to our Patreon channel. A couple of bucks a month, so no more than a coffee, and you allow us and support us to create beautiful video content, amazing recipes, and awesome travel stories. Thanks for the support. Peace out, stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you next episode of Bondi Harvest.